Now I'm going to show you how to add animations. So animation can be added to any element that you have on your in your canvas. So I'm just going to add some image. So let's do our logo. And to apply an animation, you select the element you want to apply the animation to, and in the box editing right here, you have an animate option. So you click on that one, and we're gonna click Add New Animation. Now you can select the animation, what type of animation you would like to have. So I'm just gonna do a fade in for now, and now we have a couple more or few more options here. So when um, it can be auto, which means that it'll be triggered by time. So either right at the beginning, or if we set any delay, then it'll be triggered later on. Or we can trigger it by clicking on a different element. Then we can select a delay, so we can start half a second later up to all the way to 30 seconds later. How many times do I want this to happen? Because it's a fade in, I'm going to do only one. But on some other animations, you can have different iterations, or you can also have it in infinite loop. Then duration, how long do I want this animation to go for? So I'm going to do 5 seconds, and you can see the preview right on the right side here. So you can see how it's going to act and how it's going to look like. Play direction, we have reverse alternate, which goes forward normal way, and then it goes back, or it starts from the back going forward, and then from the beginning to the end. So normally you would do probably normal or reverse, and then what's going to happen when the animation ends. So by default, it's being there to last frame, or you can also end up at the beginning. So the animation would run and then it would jump back to the first frame, or you can select the automatic and then the animation will end where that animation normally ends. So after you select all these all these options, you can just close it, and all the animations were applied. If you'd like to preview it, you can go into a preview and just look how it's going to look like in the magazine. You can also add multiple animations into the same element. So you would do the same thing, select the element, go back to animate. We already have one here, and I can just add another one, and then I can be selecting each of them and setting it up that